Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Cyberpunk 2077 weapons not showing on wall. So first is we have to know the reason why Cyberpunk 2077 weapons not showing. So one common reason why weapons may not be showing in your inventory or on the wall on your stash is due to a bug in the game. So developers are aware of this issue and are working on fixing it. But in the meantime, there is some workarounds that you can try. So one solution is to use a mode that allows you to press a button to get all of the weapons you need to fully populate your stash wall. Another solution is to try and place only iconic weapons on the wall, as these are the only weapons that can be placed there. So now we're going to talk on how to fix Cyberpunk 2077 weapons not showing on wall. So this is a common issue that can be fixed with a few simple steps. So the first one that you can do is to check your stash. First, make sure to check your stash. Some players have reported that their iconic weapons are not showing up on the wall in their stash, but are in their inventory. If this is the case for you, try removing the weapons from your inventory and putting it back in. This should force the game to recognize the weapon and display it on the wall. For the second one is to update your game. Okay. If the above step doesn't work, make sure you have the latest version of the game installed. Cyberpunk 2077 has received several updates since its release, and some of these updates have addressed issues with weapons not showing up. Check for any available updates and install them if necessary. The third one is to verify your game files. If updating your game doesn't work, try verifying your game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them if necessary. So to verify your game files, just follow the steps. Open your Steam and go to your library. Right-click on the Cyberpunk 2077 and select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The fourth one is to contact support. If none of the above steps work, you may need to contact support. CD Projekt Red has a support page where you can submit a ticket and get help with your issue. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible about your issue, including any error messages you may have received. Okay, so if you want more information about these steps, so just visit this website. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.